In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stake and restake your Ethereum tokens with EtherFi so that you can earn Ethereum staking yield as well as restaking yield on top of that, all in one convenient liquid staking token. Now, at this point, I'm assuming that you know what staking and restaking is, but if you have absolutely no idea, I recommend doing a little bit of research and then coming back to this video if you actually want to stake your ETH tokens and then restake them as well to earn additional yield. But what EtherFi is doing essentially is taking your ETH tokens, staking them, and then taking those staked ETH tokens and restaking them with Eigen Layer. Eigen Layer is a new protocol that allows you to take liquid staking tokens like Rocket Pool ETH, Lido Staked ETH, or Coinbase ETH, and then restake it. So it takes those tokens and then uses it to secure multiple protocols and networks at the same time. And in exchange for this, you earn additional yield on top of your normal ETH staking yield. But instead of having to do it yourself, what EtherFi is doing is simplifying the process and doing it for you. So when you deposit ETH into the EtherFi protocol, the ETH token that you receive in exchange for that represents staked and restaked ETH, and it will accrue rewards for both of that all in one. Now, currently, the actual staking rewards are uncertain because it's going to depend on how many people actually stake and then restake. The actual ETH staking yield is slightly below 4% right now, but the restaking APR is currently unknown, although estimates probably peg it somewhere at around 8%. But on top of that, you will earn something called loyalty points from EtherFi as well as from Eigen Layer, both of which don't have a token and may do an airdrop at some point in the future. So that is the other additional third benefit, I would say, of this strategy, is that you get staking yield, you get restaking yield, and you qualify for potentially 2 airdrops. Now, since this is a new protocol, they literally just opened to the general public yesterday. I don't recommend depositing a massive amount of ETH with them, but I deposited 1 ETH, and I'll show you how it works here. It's quite simple. You go to the EtherFi page, and at the top here, you hit this button that says ETH, and this is where you can stake your ETH tokens. So once you connect your Web3 wallet, it will show you the balance that you have, and you can stake it directly here. So you just select how much you want to stake, hit on the button, and then it will pop up asking you to confirm the transaction. And that simple step will give you ETH tokens, which will show up in your balance right here. There's also a portfolio tab, which if you go to, will show you how much ETH you have, and it will calculate the reward. So you can see I've already actually started earning EtherFi loyalty points for holding ETH tokens. Now, if you want to unstake, you can go back here and then just reverse the direction of that and convert ETH back to ETH, or you can swap the tokens on a decentralized exchange, for example, Uniswap. Additionally, you can wrap your ETH tokens, and that will allow you to take it and use it as collateral in DeFi protocols. So if you wanted to, for example, take out a loan against your ETH tokens, you could do that as well. In the advanced tab here, you can actually choose to operate a node for EtherFi if that's something you're interested in, as well as some other activities that you can complete. But yeah, that's basically it. It's quite simple. You can hold ETH tokens. They will accrue all of those rewards over time. And ideally, you will get an airdrop in exchange for being one of the early adopters to this protocol as well. Again, since this is so new, I don't recommend putting a massive amount in it. I feel comfortable enough putting, at least just 1 ETH into it, but I would not recommend putting your net worth into a brand new protocol like this. Obviously, take baby steps, whatever you're comfortable with, and hopefully you found this video helpful. I'll see you later.